Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make these kind of resin keychains and pendants. Here I am using Epocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. You need a kitchen scale to measure it. This is the first method which I am showing. This is air dry clay. Roll the clay and then flatten it with your fingertips. You can flatten it using a roller as well. This is gold flakes. Sprinkle the gold flakes on the clay. Apply a coat of clear resin as shown. This is how it looks after applying the resin. Drill a hole using a manual driller and then insert jump ring and attach the cord. Similarly, you can do the earrings. Now moving on to the second method. Pour the resin into separate small cups and then add 1 drop of alcohol inks. Mix it well and then leave it for at least 4 to 5 hours before you proceed on. After about 4 hours, take a plastic sheet and then spread the colored resin as shown. After about 9 hours, you can remove it out of the plastic sheet. You can use any plastic ball or these kind of jewelry molds and then insert the piece into it. Cut off any excess portion. Insert it into the jewelry molds as shown and then allow it to completely dry for 24 hours. After about 24 hours, you can just demold it. You can see that the piece is dome shaped. Now stick the binding wire using Fevikwik. Stick the glitters using Fevikwik. Drill a hole using manual driller and then insert ice screws. You can use thermocol balls to decorate it. Make a handle using binding wire. This is thick binding wire. Attach it using glue gun. Insert the ice screws and the keychains and your umbrella keychain is ready. Next, moving on to the third method. Here I am using glow in the dark powders. Mix the resin with glow in the dark powder. I am using orange and lemon yellow. This is mermaid tail mold. Pour the colored resin as shown. Allow it to completely dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can demold it. You can convert it into a keychain or a pendant. Drill a hole using manual driller and then insert the ice screws and attach the keychain. This is how it looks in the dark. This is the fourth method. Pour some clear resin into the jewelry mold. Add some alcohol inks. These are Petri alcohol inks. Add drop by drop. Here I am using ocean blue and lemon yellow. Pour some clear resin into a plastic cup. Add 4 to 5 drops of Epoch Mystic Blue. Add very little pearl white mica powder. And finally add 2 drops of Beyond White alcohol ink. Mix it well and pour it as shown. Using a stick, make some patterns. After about 24 hours, you can demold it. This is how it looks. You can take closed bezel and then attach it to the bezel. Take some leftover resin and then add some white sand. You can use sugar granules or white sand and then mix it well. Using a stick, make any design of your choice. Now color using alcohol inks. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you will be notified with the message.